Welcome to Anritsu Labs. Here in our test lab today, we're going to give a demonstration of capturing IQ data from a pocket radar, capturing it on the MS-2090A Field Master Pro, pulling that IQ data into our IQ Signal Master applications running on a PC, converting it to a format that we can push into the AnaPico 40 GHz vector signal generator, and then playing that file back. So we're going to show a complete closed-loop system of capturing IQ data and then playing it back. And the great thing is with the AnaPico signal generator, whatever frequency we've captured the data at, we can play it back at any frequency up to 40 GHz. I just want to show you what the signal from the pocket radar looks like. This is a 24 GHz radar, the type of radar that's used for measuring the speed of a baseball. I've got a waveguide horn antenna here connected to the input of the Anritsu MS-2090A Field Master Pro. If I power up the pocket radar, we can see the radar bursts on the screen of the spectrum analyzer there. And I power off the radar and the signal disappears. What we're going to do now is capture 4 seconds of IQ data from this pocket radar. I've set the analyzer up with a 10 MHz bandwidth. My colleague's going to tell me when to initiate the transmission of the radar. We'll capture 4 seconds, which gives us a few bursts. And then it takes a few tens of seconds to move the IQ data from the instrument back into the PC. Go. Whilst the data transfer is taking place, the instrument doesn't update, and we can see there that we started the data transfer across to the PC application, and in a few seconds' time all of that data will be loaded into the PC, and we'll be able to firstly play it back in the application and then push it into the AnaPico vector signal generator. So the IQ data has been pulled into the IQ Signal Master software, and at the top of the screen we can see the path where the data has been saved. As well as the path information, we've also got the fundamental information about the IQ capture, including its center frequency, sample rate, the bandwidth of the capture, and how many seconds of data we've captured. So that's the file that the IQ file that we've imported. What we're going to do now is have a quick look at what that signal looks like in the spectrum analyzer mode using the playback feature. And if we play back that file, we can immediately see the spectrum in the top window and the spectrogram in the bottom window. The spectrogram is showing the full 4 seconds worth of data capture, and we can see that the radar is giving us about 4 bursts in that 4 seconds, with a short period between each burst and quite a lot of frequency drift during the bursts, which is exactly the sort of thing we want to know and understand about the characteristics of this radar. Now that we've seen that the signal is one that we want to play back, what we're going to do is to go into the convert mode, and now we're going to convert from the Anritsu IQ format to the IQ format that the AnaPico signal generator requires for a playback. So we've still got the same file selected. We just need to press the Export to Signal Generator button and enter the IP address of the AnaPico signal generator. Once we've entered that, we're going to ask the signal to play back as soon as it's been pushed into the AnaPico, so we need to tell it what frequency we want it to play back at, and we'll enter the same frequency as the capture frequency initially. But of course this could be any frequency up to 40 GHz. Now just need to press the transfer button, and the file will be converted to the AnaPico format and immediately pushed over the Ethernet connection into the memory in the AnaPico VSG. This process takes typically, for a file the size of the one we've captured of 4 seconds with 10 MHz bandwidth and 16 bits of data, this process can take a few tens of seconds. Whilst the IQ data is transferring into the AnaPico signal generator, I just need to disconnect the waveguide horn that we use to capture the RF signal and connect up the signal generator to the RF input of the spectrum analyzer. So I'll just quickly do that. And as soon as the file has been pushed into the generator, it will immediately start playing back at the same frequency. So we will see it on the screen of the MS-2090A Field Master Pro. And what we've just observed is the file has completed its transfer, the signal generator has been set to the frequency that we selected, and on the analyzer the file is playing back and we can see it on the spectrum analyzer. I just need to adjust the output power to keep that within range. So that 4-second file is playing back in loop mode, and we could play that at any frequency we wanted to, up to 40 gigahertz. What we've just done, to recap, is to transmit 24 gigahertz pulsed radar signals from this pocket radar, capture them as IQ data on the Anritsu MS-2090A Field Master Pro, pull that IQ data into the IQ Signal Master software running on the PC. We've been able to view that data on the PC itself and then convert it into a file that we can push into the AnaPico vector signal generator and play that IQ data back as a file at any frequency we want to, up to 40 gigahertz. So it's a really powerful combination of software and instrumentation there to capture and play back IQ data. I hope you found that interesting. Please go to our website for more information on all of these products. Thank you.